Topic: Poverty as a challenge. Introduction. In our daily life, we come across many people who we think are poor. They could be landless laborers in villages, people living in overcrowded juggies in cities. They could also be beggars, with children in tatters. We see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. This means roughly 260 million, that is 26 crore people in India live in poverty. This also means that India has the largest single concentration of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenge. Two typical case of poverty. Let's see the first one, the urban case. Let's see the story of Ram and Sharan. 33-year-old Ram Sharan works at a daily wage laborer in a wheat flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He manages to earn around rupees 1500 a month when he finds employment. The money is not enough to sustain a family of 6, including himself, his wife, and 4 children, aged between 6 months to 12 years. He has to send money home to his old parents who live in a village near Ramgarh. Ram Sharan lives in a one-room rented house in a crowded urban settlement in the outskirts of the city. His wife Shanta Devi works as a part-time maid in a few houses and manages to earn another rupees 800. They manage a meager meal of dal and rice twice a day, but it's never enough for all of them. His elder son works as a helper in a tea shop to supplement the family income and earns another rupees 300. His 10-year-old daughter takes care of the younger siblings. None of the children go to school and have only 2 pairs of second-hand clothes. Shoes are a luxury. Children have no health care when they fall ill. Second, rural case. Let's see the story of Lakha Singh. Lakha Singh belongs to a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. His family does not own any land, so they do all odd jobs for the big farmers. At times, they get paid rupees 50 for a hard day's work. The family of 8 cannot always manage 2 square meals a day. They live in a kacha hut in the outskirts of the village. The women of the family spend the day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the fields. He had to start earning when he was 10 years old. His father, a TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to the lack of medication. His mother now suffers from the same disease and life is slowly ebbing away. Although the village has a primary school, Lakha never went there. He started earning when he was 10. New clothes are bought once in a few years, and even soap and oil are a luxury for the family. Why do they show? First, they show that poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. Second, poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. Third, poor people are in a situation in which they are illiterated at almost every place. Fourth, it also means lack of regular job at a minimum decent level. Poverty, as seen by social scientists, poverty is looked through other social indicators like illiteracy level, lack of gender resistance due to malnutrition, lack of access to healthcare, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to safe drinking water, sanitation, etc. Poverty, as seen by social scientists, analysis of poverty based on social exclusion and vulnerability is now becoming very common. Social exclusion. According to this concept, poverty must be seen in terms of the poor having to live only in poor surroundings with other poor people, excluded from enjoying social equality of better off people in better surroundings. Vulnerability. Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater probability of certain communities, say member of a backward caste or individual such as a widow or a physically handicapped person, of becoming or remaining poor in the coming years. See the graph. Poverty line. A common method used to measure poverty is based on the income or consumption label. A person is considered poor if his or her income or consumption label falls below a given maximum level necessary to fulfill basic needs. The present formula for food requirement while estimating the poverty line is based on desired calorie requirement. The acceptable average calorie requirement in India is 2,400 calories per person per day in a rural area and 2,100 calories per person per day in urban areas. Since people living in rural areas engage themselves in more physical work, calorie requirements in rural areas are considered to be higher than urban areas. Estimates of poverty in India. See the graph 1. Poverty. Comparison among some selected countries. Causes of poverty. Low level of economic development under the British colonial administration. The period at both the fronts, promotion of economic growth and population control, perpetuated the cycle of poverty. Irregular small incomes, youth income inequality, social, cultural factors, economic factors. Anti-poverty measures by the Indian government. The current anti-poverty strategy of government is based broadly on two plans: promotion of economic growth, targeted anti-poverty programs.